Hey guys, welcome back to the Garage Couple. Today I actually have some unfortunate news. Someone stole the body armor off my car. So today what we're going to show you guys about is just reinstalling a new piece that we had to order this time.
And we have a little bonus material too. Stay tuned to find out what it is. So annoying. Alright, so we're gonna have to just take the tape off first. This is the one it comes with. Good luck, it's been here for a long time. Nice. You could also spray it with some Windex. Let's see if I could find some. Maybe this will make it easier. If that does anything.
Just made my hands a little dirty.
Oopsies. I mean, we're gonna have a body armor on it. We might as well just use a spatula and just destroy underneath it, huh?
We might need something to pry this thing off. This is not working.
Maybe we can do one of those cool things where we just cut to it all being off behind the scenes.
Oh, the paint's coming off.
It's okay, we're gonna have body armor on it. How's it look?
As good as it's gonna get. Probably take these off so they don't stick on.
Yeah, that would be a good idea. Alright, so now that we have it washed and dried completely, we're gonna go ahead and try to put the new one on it. Alright, so it comes with double-sided tape, just like so, or one half is already on it. Just gotta peel the tape off to do the other half. Before we do so, just gonna test fit, make sure it's the right piece. Looks like it fits there pretty well. So just gonna go ahead and start taking the tape off. We promised you some bonus material, and here it is. We're gonna go ahead and install more covers, more armor, and in this case, it's hinge covers for every single hinge on the whole vehicle. But before we install those hinge covers, we have to go ahead and clean every single door hinge, make sure it's totally free of dust, and then we can go ahead and stick these bad boys on there. Let's get started. So the reason we're even putting these hinge covers on to begin with is because our hinges look terrible. Our big tires fling rocks at the hinges, and because of that, it has all sorts of chips all over the place. Now we tried painting it, doesn't really work, it happens again. We'll put these hinge covers on and see what happens. We have this Footstep installed over here. We're gonna go ahead and remove it using the handy dandy kit that comes with the Jeep stock. Take the footstep out, put the hinge covers on, then put the step right back on. Sometimes you just gotta use your head. I'm not really sure which double-sided tape pieces to use for which door hinge parts. Maybe you guys can let me know in the comments below. By then it's gonna be too late and I'm not gonna be able to redo it anyway, but just take me to school on this thing. Let's get started. So from what I could tell, the hinge has one part that's like a bridge to the front part area, and some of the plastic pieces have that cover on the bottom. I'm guessing this is for the other side. Now I gotta find the ones that fit exactly over that. The reason we're opting to take out our door hinge screws from the bottom is in case we want to go for a ride without our doors, we don't want to have to take these covers off. We want to just be able to lift straight up and take it right out. So this is how we ended up taping it. I feel like it's doing a pretty good job hanging tight, much better than just one strip on each corner.
We think the hinges look pretty good. Let us know what you think in the comments below. Hopefully they stand the test of time. They're able to stay on the Jeep and they don't fall off because of the double-sided tape, but we will keep you posted. If you liked what you saw, make sure you hit that red subscribe button. Let us know what you want to see next on what you should do on the Jeep.
Stay tuned for more content. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on what you want to be seen or installed on our Jeeps. As Arlene said earlier, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So here's how you can get a pair of free 7-inch LED headlights for your Jeep or any other vehicle that accepts these style headlights. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and once we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to be picking one person at random and we're going to send them a new set of 7-inch LED Jeep headlights. Thank you so much for watching. We'll catch you on our next video.